4-H is an international youth program, and it's primarily known for animals and raising cows, sheep, goats, all of that kind of thing. But there are a lot of other programs that go along with it. So a bunch of kids will get involved in STEM activities or cooking activities. It's all about like healthy living and that kind of thing.
I was actually a camper since I was a clover bud, so I was going here since I was 5 years old. So for me it's kind of fun seeing like the evolution of like, okay, I was this tall going to camp. Now I was the person that I looked up to as a camper. So this year we have like crafts and cooking class, sports and fitness, STEM, exploring 4-H is another cool one, and then like leaderships.
They learn a lot of life lessons for sure, like a lot of good people skills, communication skills. I'm actually teaching a leadership class right now, and like they're learning to work as a group instead of like individualized.
We bring in like programs to teach them, so they had like a watermelon queen, they had like a dairy princess, so teaching them kind of basic stuff about like 4-H and agriculture and those types of things.
On Monday we had a speaker come in, and he was talking to us about forensic science, and we had to solve a lot of problems in that and just do a lot of like games that teach you leadership, and they're usually pretty fun.
I think it's really nice for them to get outside, to be active during their summers, and to be able to learn something even if they don't really realize that they are. I think even with the leadership class, it's something fun. They're doing fun activities, but they're also learning about communication and the team building.
It's pretty much having fun. Like it's about like enjoying your childhood and like learning all these things along the way, and it's a good time to be a kid.